In today's episode, you see we're getting ready to decorate that fireplace. So if you're interested in seeing how it all turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, everyone. I am Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, decorating on the budget. Now, today I'm really proud. Today is my 8th annual, I do believe, Summer Fireplace Decor collaboration. Now, I do this every year because I enjoy decorating my fireplace for the seasons. So, this year, my wonderful co host is Gladys at Styling with Gigi Fajon. Now, if you haven't heard of Gigi's channel, I will have a link to her channel down below in the description, as well as a playlist for any other participants for this collaboration. Now, I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to get into the decorating of it all. Okay, I'm making some DIYs for my summer decor, okay? So now I'm using these flower petals here. And I have this bag here of tropical flowers. These came from Amazon, but I've had them for years. I'm using some of these little small palm leaves from Dollar Tree. They came in a pack and it had large, medium, and small. So I'm using the small ones. I'm using some of these floral beads. These gel beads. I'm using these. Not sure how many I'm going to use, but I have like 4 containers. So not sure how many I'm going to use. I'm using this vase as a DIY with a candle holder from Dollar Tree and a vase. Had this one for years. And then here's another DIY I did with the wine glass from Dollar Tree and a 9-inch vase. I'm using that one. And then I'm using this cylinder vase that I thrifted. It's a pretty tall one. Now, I wasn't sure how I was going to do the leaves in here. So, we're going to get it done. Now, your girl has had a rough week. I've been taking people back and forth to the doctor. My husband had a test on his heart, and my father somehow caught COVID again. So it's been a rough week on your girl. So forgive how I look. I'm trying to make it happen. Never stop exploring. There's always something new at the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Now, as you see, I'm doing kind of a Hawaiian theme, a tropical theme for my house this year. And I think those hydrangeas are really beautiful and they make the colors pop. And the leaves all came from Amazon, as well as the candles and the hydrangeas. Now, all of those were purchased at different times, so I've had them a while. So I think it all came out beautiful. The only thing that's new up here are the pink hydrangeas and the pink candles. Everything else I already had in my stash. So let me know what you think of my tropical theme fireplace mantle for this year. You know I love reading your comments. Let me know what you think of my tropical themed fireplace for this year. I really enjoyed coming up with this idea. Let me know what you think of the tropical theme down below. You know I enjoy reading your comments. Now don't forget to look down below for the link for my wonderful co-host Gladys at Styling with Gigi Faison, and also the playlist for the other participants. Now when you go visit everyone, of course, let them know that Stephanie sent you. And I thank you for staying here and watching me style my fireplace this year, and I will see you in the next episode.